Hi, today I'm going to show you how to make easy, nutritious breakfast crepe. And these are the ingredients that you need. 2 scallion, 5 eggs, flour, just 1 cup, and salt and water. And these are the optional one it's optional. So I put in apple, ham, and cheese. Okay, first I'm going to show you how to make the batter. So all you need for this recipe is 1 cup of flour. Okay, we need 1 1/3 cup of water. So this is the first cup, 1 cup. This is 1/3 cup of water. Also, 1/2 teaspoon of salt. And then just mix. We have to make it to smooth. But in the meantime, let it soak and it will be easier to spread it out, the crumbs. Now I have washed the scallion, so I'm going to chop it. Now my batter is smooth. It looks like this, and it's ready to cook. So I put in, I'm going to cook it in medium heat. So my pan is hot enough, and I'm going to add some oil. Not much, just a little bit. This one I am not going to put scallion in case somebody does not like it. Been 3 minutes. And let it cook for 1 minute. Now you see the bubbles, air bubble. So that means it's cooked. So that it looks like this. I'm going to put another one here before I wrap the cooked one. minutes has been gone, and I'm going to turn it. It's golden brown. And wait until the bubble comes out. Now it's been a minute and air bubble has come out, so it should be good. So it looks like this. Okay, you can eat it just like this way, or you can just roll it up like this and then eat it this way. Or you can add something in, but anything that you want to wrap, you can put it in. But I like cheese. And I like apple. And there you go. And then you can cut into half and enjoy. For this one, I am not going to put anything, so I just wrap. I want to add in some ham, cheese slice. I should have the cheese over here. Apple. It's very refreshing and crunchy, and you roll it like this. Here's another ingredient you can put in: avocado. Add a little bit of pepper. A little bit of salt. Brings out the flavor from the avocado. And then just wrap it. Then let me show you what it looks like inside. Beautiful. This one has no filling, so it looks like this. This one is cheese and apple and no scallion, so it looks like this. And this one is with cheese, ham, and apple, and with scallion, so it looks like this. Look at this beautiful dish. If you enjoy watching my video, please click the red subscribe button on your screen. There is no cost or fee to you. Also, click the bell if you would like to be notified when I upload a new video. Thank you and see you next time.